Hello everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. This is for the week of July 29th through August 4th. I am using this heatwave kit from CaressPress. It was actually their May mystery. I really liked the colors of this kit, this like lemongrass and lime and pink and blue. Super pretty. I was obsessed with the fashion boxes. That's like the main reason I got this kit, is because I just loved the fashion boxes so much. So I knew that I wanted to use it this week. I didn't end up pulling in any like fun, the color is fun, but any like fun underlays or anything. And as I was pulling this out of my like kit lineup, I was kind of shaking my head because I could have easily brought in some like lemongrass or any sort of foil, but I just went with the foil bundle that Maggie sent with it, which was the blue hollow, I don't know, like summer bundle. I don't know what it's called. I don't have it anymore. Actually, yes I do. That's a lie. I don't have the front page, so I apologize. But it was the bundle that was sent with it, so it's in blue hollow. It's really pretty. It's a very summertime themed bundle. So I just used the bougie boxes that came with that, which I don't think I've just used plain bougie boxes in a while, so it's a little weird. But I think it still turned out very pretty. I had a extender box on Friday, so I was able to bring in an extra full box, which is always fun. So I feel like this just turned out so pretty. I did start 2 books this week, which is really fun, so I was able to do 2 labels in the sidebar. I pulled in some days of the week from Plan a Hannah. I do have a code with Hannah. You can use the code fantasy15 to save 15%, or just put Fantasy or Kirsten in the notes if she's having a sale, and you can still get my freebie. I have the hollow font 5 days of the week. Love those. I've tried to bring in as much like hollow as possible with this kit. The July script I have is from SPC. It is not in hollow. It is in silver, because I have like 6 sheets of the hollow months from SPC. Not one of them has a July. Not one of them has a July. You're kidding? So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna use the silver. I don't need to bring home a 7th hollow sheet. That's a little bit ridiculous. I think upon flipping the pages in the future, I'm not even going to notice, honestly. So I did do that. I did pull in the rest. I had some summer overlays left over from Hannah in hollow, so I just used the last 3 on the sheet just to use them up because they were super cute. The one says Sweet Summertime, the other says Aloha, and then the bottom says Hello Sunshine. I just wanted to use those up so I could get rid of that sheet. I'm sure she's going to come out with some bomb summer overlays next year, so fine with me. Every box also got one of the blue hollow overlays from CaressPress. The washi turned out super cute. Oh my gosh, my air just kicked off and now I feel like I'm screaming. The washi turned out really cute. I love the deco. The date numbers are from the foil bundle. I did do the whole reinforcers from the foil bundle as well. I think that's kind of about it. I did pull in the book icon from the foil bundle for one of the books, and then I grabbed one of the little sun icons from the summertime freebie, which is in the exact same foil that I had, so I just brought in a little sunshine. I thought that was kind of cute. And I think that's kind of it for my base. I think it turned out really pretty. This is my last like summer themed kit for the year, and the next kit I'm using is still kind of summer themed, but not as like in your face summer themed. So I'm a little sad to see it go, but I cannot wait to start getting my little paws on some fall art. I think it's going to be so fun. So let's go ahead and start with the day by day. This week I did work quite a bit because I was working up to take a full week of when the girls started school off. So I worked a lot this week. So up first we had coffee in the morning. I think for my coffees this week I'm just going to use these like patterned little things. I did go to work this day and I did do orders. I'm going to do, I don't know, should I use square boxes? Sure. Let's use a square box for this. Okay, so for all of my coffees this week, I'm using this sticker here from the Honeybee shop. It's all the exact same one. I think the straws are just different colors, but I felt like those were the most like summertime. Very cute. I do also have custom coffee scripts from Hannah. This is in font 2. For work this day, this is from Stick with the Plan Co. Because it was orders, I wanted to do a sticker that was like pulling orders, and I thought this one was really cute with like the pink. And I am using the work script from the foil bundle. If I can grab it. There we go. Very cute. This day I did start listening to a new audiobook. It was A Dark and Secret Magic, which was like a very witchy themed book. It was so cute. I actually really enjoyed it. So I will mark that I started a new book this day. And then we did watch Stranger Things. And I read from my physical book this night. Let's do that, and then maybe, is there like, yes there is. I was gonna say, are there like larger labels, and there are, so I'm going to use that to mark reading. So for starting my new audiobook, I have this scribbler from SPC with the headphones on, which is so cute. They look like AirPods, or AirPod Maxes. They're really cute. The Start New Book is a custom from Hannah in font 2. For Stranger Things, I have the little TV from the foil bundle. And I do have a custom Stranger Things script from Hannah as well. We're rewatching Stranger Things with Avery at this point. We have since finished. She is not looking forward to the wait for the new season, that's for sure. For reading this day from Happy Dia, I have this sticker here. I love using like stickers like this when the kit is really colorful, because it's fun. And then this read script is from the foil bundle. That looks really good. On to Tuesday morning, I had coffee as well. Oh, I keep grabbing that. Blue. I did go to work again this day and I collated all day. I'm going to use another squared box, I think. Yeah. Also, yeah, I'm going to squeeze, I think, the rest of it into the bottom part of the week, or bottom part of the day, I'm sorry. So again, the same stuff for coffee, just a different colored straw. And for work this day, I have a printer sticker. This is from Papershire, a cute little pink printer. Same work script from the foil bundle. Love that. Then I did have a YouTube binge while at work, so I will mark that. It can be in a little thing, so I'll do that. We got Chili's for dinner. We picked it up to go. I love Chili's. Let's do... I want another large yellow. Is this one large? It is. Perfect. But I wanted it patterned, so that worked. That's for Chili's. We watched more Stranger Things, and then Austin had a game this night. So this is for Stranger Things. And then I'll do a label for the Austin game. It's a little, it's going to layer just a bit, but that's okay. So for my YouTube binge, I have the YouTube doodle from SPC. This binge watch script is from the foil bundle. For Chili's, I think I got the triple dipper this day, honestly. Like the first few times we got Chili's recently, I got the triple dipper, and then just the last time we went, I got the Cajun pasta because that is so good. So this little set of wings is from Papershire. For Stranger Things, I have an SPC mini icon of a hollow TV. And again, Stranger Things is from Plana Hannah. And then for the Austin game, I have a Carly Plans light pink soccer ball and a custom Austin FC script from Hannah as well. Love that. On to Wednesday. Wednesday I had coffee again in the morning because I have what? An addiction. So I'm going to use this again. Went to work again this day and was on silhouettes this day. So I'm going to probably use another squared box because I've been enjoying that. That looks good. So again, just going to put in my little iced coffee stickers. And then for work this day, because I was on silhouettes, I have this Papershire sticker here that I adore. It's actually very cute. We'll put that there. And I'm using the work script from the foil bundle. Oh, we had Canes for dinner this night. So I'll mark that in. Canes, we watched Stranger Things, and I read. So this is for Canes. For Stranger Things, we'll do another little thing. And then for reading, I'll probably use something a bit bigger just to fill that space. Let's use this guy, this little quarter box. Love that. So for Canes, I do have the Canes takeout bag doodle here from SPC. Stranger Things, I'm just doing the same thing, the SPC little hollow TV. And then the Plana Hannah custom. And then for reading this day, I have the like Once More with Love outdoors reading, which I always think is so cute to use in the summertime because it has a little sun. So I have that one. And this reading time script is from SPC, and that is the first half of the week. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second half. It looks so strange without crazy underlays, but hey, it's still cute. Thursday, nothing happened. Okay, so I had my coffee in the morning on Thursday. So I'll put that in. I did go to work again this day and I was on silhouettes again. So I'm going to do Do I have another blue? I don't have a blue squared box. Do I have a blue? Oh, I always forget about this. Oh, no, I don't forget about that sheet. That's a lie. Oh, I have a blue flag. We'll do that for work this day. So again, I'm going to put the coffee stuff in. Oh my gosh, the bottom half of this day is going to be basic. See, that's when like the really intense bougie boxes underlays really come in handy, is when you're not doing anything. And so it doesn't look so bare. For work this day, I have this munchkin here with the silhouette. That work script from the foil bundle. Came home, watched Stranger Things, and read. So, how do I want to do this one? I guess for Stranger Things, we'll do a little thing. Just because these stickers I have are small. The sticker I have for reading is also small, but we're just going to have to make it work. So I'm going to use something a little bit bigger. It looks weird, but this is what we're doing. So I'll pop in the little TV icon for Stranger Things, as well as the script. And then for reading from SPC, I have the little doodle of the bookmark. I mean, it works. And also from SPC, I have a reading time script. That's perfect. That looks great. Moving on to my extender day, which is Friday. Let's see, how do I want to do this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. That's perfect. Up top, I did film, edit, and upload first thing in the morning. So I will mark that with, I don't know yet, hold it. Let's do a little thing. I also did have some coffee. And I made wax. So this will be for coffee. And then for making wax, I kind of want to use another quarter box. Oh, I already used the pink one. I think there is a pink. Well, we can use this. This works for making wax. So for filming, editing, and uploading from the foil bundle, I grabbed the little film clapper icon. This film script is a custom from Hannah. Font 2. All of my customs are typically in font 2, except for the days of the week. I just like those in font 5. Coffee. Again, just the opposite direction. I'm gonna grab coffee again. My sticker sheet is like the one I have these on is really tough to get off. There we go. And then for making wax from Once More With Love, I have the munchkin with the wax melter. And I do have a custom make wax script from Hannah, so I'll pop that in as well. Did some listings this day, so I'll put those in with like a little thing probably. I packed orders and we had a new release. So this is for listings. Packing orders is small as well, so I can use another little thing. And our new release was Gilmore Girls, which funnily enough, I don't think I have like any stickers that really represent Gilmore Girls. So I kind of dug around and found something I think kind of works. So for listings from the foil bundle, I grabbed the computer foiled icon, and I do have a custom listings script from Hannah. For packing orders, again from the foil bundle, I have the package icon, and this pack orders is a custom script from Plan With Me stickers. And then for the new release, I went into SPC. I'll tell you the sheet number. There's this like variety coffee sheet. It's number 679. And I just grabbed the little like plaid outfit off of it because it reminded me of Rory. And I was like, oh, that's kind of perfect to mark like Gilmore Girls. I probably could have used like a coffee cup or something too, but I just really liked that outfit. And I do have a custom fantasy wax new release, which I'll pop right there. I did the dishes. So I'll mark that in with a little thing. We'll do a pattern little thing, make it more fun. And then we have been doing this new fun routine on Fridays of running to the gas station to get snacks. So we did do that. I'm gonna mark it, I think, a little bit bigger though. Yeah, let's use one of these like larger labels. And then we had our movie night. The girls watched Garfield and Brian and I watched Maxine this night. So I will mark that as well with this. Perfect. Also, sorry if you can hear Brian. I'm trying to go fast because I didn't realize he was back on the phone. For dishes, I have this from SPC, the little open dishwasher doodle. I have a custom dishes script from Hannah. For our gas station run, I wasn't quite sure what to use. I'm going to have to search around and see if I can find anything. But I did just, this is from Once More With Love. It's a little ice cream bar. One of the times we went recently, the girls got ice cream. So I was like, that kind of works. And then for our movie night, this is also from Once More With Love, and I'm using the movie night script from the foil bundle. Oh, that looks so cute together. And then moving on to Saturday, I think it's 4 per. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Saturday was also a really fun day. Filmed, edited, and uploaded this day. So what color do I need? Green. Used to use a green little thing for another film edit upload. I had coffee again. Made some wax. Person front door. Hopefully it's a package. Made some wax. Let's use, is it yellow? Let's use a solid yellow. And then we went to Marshall's. I love Marshall's. I could be in there all day. I just love it. So I'm gonna mark that in. Does this fit? No, I probably have to use a little thing, huh? That's okay. We'll use a little thing to mark. Going to Marshall's. Or I could even switch it around and do make wax here and do Marshall's here. We'll see what I'm feeling. So for filming, editing, and uploading from the foil bundle, I grabbed the little sticker sheets icon. This film script is again from Hannah. And then for coffee, I'll pop these two in. This one has a blue straw. I think I am going to put Marshall's in the label. So I have this from Once More With Love, which I think is very cute. And then for making wax, again from Once More With Love, I have the same little wax melter. And I'll put the script in as well. After Marshall's, we went over to Half Price Books. Again, one of my favorite places on the planet to be. Let's mark that in. And we also got ramen because it's right next to one of our favorite ramen spots. Our kids are obsessed with ramen, so I'm down. I could always eat ramen. So we got that as well. Got home and watched some Stranger Things. And then I started reading a new book. I started reading The God of the Woods physically. So I'll mark that down as well. Let's use, is it blue? Yep. We'll use blue to mark that. Perfect. So for going to Half Price Books, this is from SPC. It's the scribbler with like the stack of books. I don't know if I got anything. I mean, I'm sure I did. For ramen, this is from Grin & Barrett. And then, of course, for Stranger Things, I've been using the little TV icon with the Stranger Things script. And then for starting a new book, this is from Once More With Love. Oh, that matches very nicely. And my Start New Book custom is from Hannah. All right, and then last but not least, on to Sunday. Sunday was pretty boring as well. It's another one of those like Thursday days. Started the morning off with some coffee. Actually had a coffee run this day, which is always nice to go to a place to get coffee. And I did go to work this day as well. And I was on Silhouettes this day. So let's use, I do have a pink squared box, so we'll use that. So again, I'm going to use the same coffee cup that I've been using, but I'm going to use the coffee run script that's from the foil bundle. Oh, if I can get it. There we go. For work this day, I have a mini Fox and Pip little silhouette. Same work script from the foil bundle. And then just 2 shows to put down here, y'all. 2 shows. So I think I might have to use bigger labels. Stranger Things and House of the Dragon. So let's do this for Stranger Things. And then I need a big blue one. This for House of the Dragon. Oh my goodness. Whatever. So the same exact thing. I'm using the small little hollow TV icon. I have a custom Stranger Things I'll pop in. And then for House of the Dragon, I'm also using the same little TV icon. And I do have a custom House of the Dragon script as well. Oh my goodness. Well, at least it only happens once every often, you know? So that is it, you guys. Oh my goodness. I feel like we went through this one really quickly. But it's such a pretty spread. I love the colors. Super pretty, still very shiny and hollowy and gorgeous. I love the blue hollow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Oh, look how pretty that is. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.